So where do you find your email password? Let me explain that and show you all of the ways you could find it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So if you signed into your email and clicked on Save Password, then it's going to be part of a password manager. Most likely on an iPhone, it's going to be part of the Apple Passwords app. So at first, give it a try, locate the app like this, scan your face to get inside, and just browse all of your passwords. And it is possible that you're going to find it right here. As you can see, I have a couple of Gmail accounts and so on, right? Even Apple, right? So I have a couple of stuff right here. So if you have clicked on a save email password, then it's going to be part of this app. If not, if you're using a different password manager like the 1Password or Proton Pass, third-party providers, which can do the same thing, then you might as well save the passwords in those apps. So just look those up and see if you have it right there. If you are using the iCloud email, you should be able to change the password when you go to your settings, tap on a profile, and at the top, tap on a sign in and a security, and you should see the change password, which is your Apple ID password, but it's all put together, the iCloud and Apple account, and you can just change it right here. But when it comes to some third-party app or email service like Gmail, you can just try to sign in to your account and just tap on the forgot password, and it's going to guide you through the way to set up a new one. So that would be useful as well. So it really depends on your situation. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. I really hope I was able to show the guidance and show you how you could make that work. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the future uploads.